Looking for solid bid boards outside of your usual city or state hookups to score commercial projects without relying on word of mouth? So here's the thing. When you want to get into bid boards beyond just local government ones, you gotta look at platforms that actually connect contractors with commercial projects nationwide. For starters, PlanHub is a good shout for commercial bids when it's got a bunch of projects and lets you submit your bids directly, which is super handy. Another one to check out is BuildingConnected. It's popular for commercial construction and helps you network with general contractors and project owners. Also, don't sleep on ConstructConnect, which offers a wide range of commercial and industrial projects across multiple states. The key is to set up really detailed profiles showcasing your specialties and past works of .com. Makes you stand out when people are sorting through bids. Always keep your documents ready and updated, like insurance certificates and licenses, so when a good project pops up, you can jump on it quick without delays. Being responsive and professional in your communication can seriously boost your chances since contractors want reliable subs who get back fast. Finally, try to follow up on bids even if you don't win right away. Building that relationship can lead to future gigs. One of the biggest mistakes contractors make with bid boards is not targeting the right projects, like bidding on stuff way out of their wheelhouse or too big to handle, which wastes time and energy. Fix that by filtering projects carefully and sticking to what you know best. Another common issue is slow response time. If you take forever to submit or answer questions, you lose credibility fast. Make sure you have a system to track deadlines and stay on top of messages. Lastly, many contractors forget to keep their profiles and documents up to date, so when a good opportunity comes, they can't move quickly. Keep everything current and organized so you're always ready to roll. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for hooking up homeowners with trusted local contractors who've been vetted for quality and reliability. For contractors, it's a smart way to get your name out there and find steady work without chasing leads all day long.